friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw anger from inside out. So first let's get started with the eyes. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then moving down on a slight diagonal, we're going to curve this line up and over. For the right eye now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then on the left hand side, making this smaller, we're going to curve this line around and then back up. On the left-hand corner now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting that from the top to the bottom. And then moving over on the left-hand side, let's replicate that, curving that up. In the center, let's draw in a circle for the pupil. And then we'll move over on the left-hand side and draw in a half circle on the top. Let's draw in a small circle to the right of this for a highlight. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Now on the top right-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left. Now let's draw in the mouth. So in the center, coming over towards the left, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this line back up and down, extending that further out. Now from here, we're going to connect this together with a curved line, arching this up and then over on the right hand side. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line up. And then over on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line in towards the top. For the center of the teeth now, we're going to curve this line in towards our bottom line and then back up on the right. To the right of this, we're going to draw a straight line that comes up. We'll draw a diagonal line that comes out. On the left-hand side, we'll draw another diagonal line that comes up, and then again one more time. And then over on the right-hand side, we're going to draw a straight line that comes down, and then we'll do the same thing on the left. Now let's draw in the shape of the head. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, curving this line down towards the bottom. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right-hand side and replicate that. Now from here, we're going to curve two lines that come in towards the middle, and we're just going to leave a gap in the center. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides for the collar. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line back up and over towards the side. In the middle now, we're just going to draw in a letter V. And now let's frame in the top of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then in. And now from here, connecting this together on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line over and across on the right. Let's draw in the tie now. So in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the middle. And then we'll draw a straight line across. Now on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out for the bottom of the tie. And then two more diagonal lines that come in towards the middle. For the rest of the tie, we're going to draw two diagonal lines that come out on both sides, connecting that underneath the collar. And now let's draw in the rest of the body. So stepping further out for the shoulders, we're going to curve this line out. Stepping further in, we're going to curve this line in for the torso on both sides, ending that at the same height. And now let's close off the sleeve of the shirt, connecting that towards the corner on the top. And then moving up again one more time, let's replicate that. Now from here for the legs, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then on the inside from the tie, we're going to draw a straight line that comes down. Now from here, we're going to bring a straight line that comes across, extending that further out, and we'll do this on both sides. And then from here, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom, bringing that in as we come in towards the bottom. From the inside on the center line, we're going to curve this line out on both sides, ending that at roughly the same height. And now from here, from that point, we're going to curve this line over towards the corner. Now for the foot, we're going to start from that point, curving this line around and then up. And then we'll do the same thing over on the left-hand side. Let's come in now and draw in the arms. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out, and we'll do this on both sides. Coming across, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. For our thumb, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And now for the rest of the hand, we're just going to bring a diagonal line that comes out on the bottom. We're going to bring this diagonal line up towards the top. And now from here, we're just going to continue to bring this in towards our sleeve. Now let's draw in the pants. So coming further up beside the tie, we're going to draw in the belt, curving this up. And then we'll do the same thing on the left, arching that out. Let's move down again one more time, curving this over towards the side. On both sides, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes up. Moving further in on the left-hand side, we're going to draw two straight lines that come up. Same thing on the right. And now in the middle of the leg, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw anger from inside out. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.